So hello, today I have this very weird angle going on here, but as you can see we are doing an unboxing of stocks boxes. It's a subscription box. Sorry I'm talking like this, but it's all about the box today. But anywho, let's unwrap this first. Am I recording? That would have sucked. The idea is simple. Unlike most subscription boxes on the market, Stocks Boxes is centered on necessity, not just luxury. As you'll soon see, all of the products are intended for everyday life. It's basically your morning routine in a box. Each Stocks Boxes contains at least one pair of underwear, socks, and an undershirt, along with soap, deodorant, and a toothbrush, and dental floss. Each box also contains bonus items ranging from face wash and cologne to belts and wallet. Our goal is to help busy guys start their day on the right foot and save money doing it. Signing up is simple. Just complete a 2-minute survey to let us know your sizes and preferences, and never worry about having the essential again. Which is funny, I should have waited to open this because I just went and bought some socks yesterday. I bought like 3 packs of socks yesterday. I'm gonna let y'all know up front, it says the price is $27.99 per month and we offer free shipping within the US. Subscriptions can be paused or canceled at any time, so no obligation. That's cool. You know what, let me turn it around so y'all see it first. I'm gonna just look up on camera. Little letter here, I don't know, can y'all see that? What about right there? We got going on here. Oh snap, this is dope. We got a Levi's fanny pack. That is dope. Look at that. All right, put that to the side. We got some Tommy Hilfiger socks. Dang, we got the name brand going on in here. Okay, socks are really soft. Toothbrush, I'm also mad about that. I had Rona not too long ago. If you get sick, you need to replace your toothbrushes because the germs will stay on there. So hey, I'm gonna show these undies. When I signed up, they asked me if I wanted like boxers or briefs or whatever, thing like that. And I was like, briefs for sure. Dang, we got Art of Sport body wash. Have y'all ever seen this before? It's very manly looking, right? It's like, ah! Body wash, activated charcoal, compete, energizing citrus. Oh, and there's a matching deodorant to go with it. Talc free, antiperspirant. That's what I'm talking about. Long lasting. You know, I don't know why I keep putting my face in there like this. I feel goofy. Dental floss. I actually don't floss that much. I use mouthwash. I also don't own any floss, but I do now. Okay, and we got a t-shirt. Hey, Lucky Brand. Oh, that's like a t-shirt. Branding down here on the bottom. Uh-oh. Oh no. I gotta change my memory card out. Back to what we were doing. Honestly, especially with white tees, you can never go wrong with white tees because they're gonna stain and yellow and all that after a while. Hey, the Ralph Lauren ankle socks. Okay. And let me not forget. Oh, I actually needed a belt. Let me show y'all my other belt right now. That thing is raggedy. It was on his last leg. This boy was done. This is really nice. It's got like a texture to it. It's real thick. It looks like it is. Yep, it's reversible. It's a guest belt. Got this brown textured side to it, like this really dark chocolate brown, and then the other side's like a black kind of. I actually got a code and everything, Chris20. Alright? So if you order your own Stocks box and use code Chris20, you'll get 20% off your first box. Yeah, that's crazy, right? So I'll leave a link in the description to take you there, and you can kind of check it out yourself. And just to kind of give you guys a thought over everything, this is nice, especially like you said in thing, if you're busy and whatnot. I could use this. I've never tried these brands before, but I'll give them a try, and if y'all want me to, I'll do a review over it. Again, one thing about subscription boxes is that a lot of them are just a bunch of stuff that you don't need a lot of the time. Like there's only so many clothes I need to buy in a month, but this is actually stuff that you can use. Again, they did not pay me to say any of this or anything like that of the sort. I just want to say that again. But this was fun to do. This is stuff that I'm actually going to use. Like I run through socks like crazy because I wear them outside. I work out a lot and all that stuff, so I can always use more socks. Like I said, I just went and bought 2 packs yesterday. Go check them out. $27 a month is not bad at all. Have you ever tried a subscription box before? Because I've never actually tried one other than my like skincare routine ones. Thank you just like for this opportunity, really, to not only Chris but y'all. We wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you. So again, thank you. And now I'm gonna go eat breakfast because it's like 8:30 still. And I came back from the gym and went straight to doing this. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.